Are you ready to have your best Christmas ever? Today we are starting our Christmas prep, brand new series for you this year, 6 weeks. And each week I'm going to give you 3 different tasks. We're going to break it down. I'm going to be leading you through it. So what we're going to do each week we will have one power task, which is going to keep your home nice and clean. We're going to get our homes ready. Each week we'll also be working on a planning task so that we can have a nice stress-free Christmas without spending too much money. We'll be talking about decorating. We will be talking about meal planning, all the hygge things. And of course, no Diane in Denmark series would be complete without some self-care. So each week I'm going to give you a self-care prompt. So are you ready for your best Christmas ever? Let's dive in. Diane in Denmark here, rah rah rah, and I am so excited to get started today. I'm sure you are too. We're going to get into a 6-week plan for a nice stress-free, organised Christmas. Lots of hygge coming. But what I want you to do right now is just go and grab a pen and paper, an old notebook. Maybe you make notes on your iPad. We're not printing out anything today. I do have a checklist for you, but you're just listening in and we're getting started. Also, I would like you to go and grab maybe a hot drink, something nice and cozy, hot chocolate, warm apple cider. If you're in the Southern Hemisphere, I'm here for you. Probably get something nice and cold. And remember to subscribe, notifications on, because I will be checking in with you several times a week with videos and also on the community tab and on Facebook and Instagram with little extras. We'll also be talking about Danish candle traditions, all of those kind of things. I shall be sharing family recipes with you. I will be taking you out on location in the centre of Copenhagen with me and my friends, showing you what we are up to. So let's dive in with week number 1. And in the Flylady zone for this week is zone 4, which is the master bedroom, for those of you who are doing the Flylady system along with me. But this is the week 1, the week of starting 21st October. So for your first task, your power task, and the power task, that's going to help you to get your home ready, keep your home ticking over when the rest of the world is going crazy. I want you to do your weekly upkeep clean this week. You may have fallen off your routines and off your cleaning after summer. I've got plenty of videos. I will link to videos, but the weekly upkeep clean is a 1-hour clean of the high traffic areas in your house. Why am I asking you to start there? Because it just gives us that groundwork and quickly makes us feel that we are back in charge. So you're just going to do a quick 1-hour clean of the main traffic areas in your house. Got that? That's your power task. And then on to the Christmas task for this week. You're going to gather together all your wrapping supplies, all your Christmas cards. We're going to put them all together. Now you may say, well, I don't give many gifts. Suddenly we're giving gifts at the last minute, or a neighbour needs something. We're just getting together this week your sellotape, a pair of scissors, ribbon, any kind of wrapping supplies, gift bags, Christmas cards from last year that you didn't get around to sending. We're not decluttering or organising these things. We're just getting them all together. You got that? And then let me give you your self-care prompt for this week. It is Flylady Zone 4, which is the master bedroom this week. So maybe you want to take a couple of minutes just to see what is in that room, declutter a bit more so it's like a nice haven for you. But what I would like you to do for this run up to Christmas is to book a hair appointment. That's what I'm going to be. I'm actually getting my hair cut this week, but I need to get a hair appointment for just before Christmas. So that's on my radar. Maybe you need to, I don't know, get your legs waxed. Maybe you need to make an appointment to get your nails done. Maybe you want to do something like looking through your own nail varnishes and pick up a nice sparkly polish the next time that you're doing your errands. Okay, so you got that? We've got our power task for the home. We've got our Christmas mission, gathering together all the supplies for wrapping and for cards, and a little self-care mission for ourselves. Let me know what you're going to do, at least pick for the self-care. You can tell me that right now. So there, we are started with our Christmas planning. All I've got left to say is live long and prosper. May the best Christmas ever, stress-free, full of hygge, be with you, and I shall see you very soon with a rah, rah, rah. Okay, bye for now.